scope. Keep moving the scope.
Coming out.
Yeah. Just slow.
Have you got like one thread lever? Go back a bit in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just losing
You're just
that.
like
You
right.
keep pulling the scope
Okay,
actually.
you just keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, there we are.
Yeah, keep going.
Yep.
Keep going, keep going.
All right. You guys
And you
are
guys
out.
pull this, we need to move the
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
snake back. Yeah, from now on. Pull the
Okay.
snake. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's right. We've got it. We've got it.
What?
Sorry, no, it'll come out. We've got the tip of it. Let's
Yep.
just get that back in. We can use these ones to pull that out.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Do you want to do the honours? Can you hold the snake's mouth?
Liv, do you want to pull it out?
Yeah, do you want to pull it out? Just let go for a second. Okay, that's clamped on. Just hold that together. Yep. Wow!
Don't pull the tube.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh
Oh my god.